You can run the Python code in AWS Lambda. I will show the example. To use the Lambda effectively, you need to install some pre-built libraries such as layers, or you can create and add your own custom Lambda layers. Layers are the crucial because they allows you to indicate the external dependencies like a Python packages in the Lambda function. Here, I show the basic example. Here, first you need to show the example like I need to remove deactivate ls remove rf so then it's it's deleted the virtual environment. And then create python 3. It successfully created the env and you need to activate source. Successfully activated. Then we have the ls, and I want to install some pip requirements. Either pip install or yes, it was successfully installed, and there is some code in this. If the request it's like the basic code, it's a request or get the test http://www.google.com. If request status code is 200, it's a print like this. If either it was not successful, showing this like this. And I need to venue lscd need to put the lib libraries in the clear and ls and the go to python 3.30 ls. It's a site.packages. These folder contains all the packages or requirements for the request. You need to zip them, zip or name of the files. I need to name as a zip file as a site, and then site dot packages. It's successfully zipped and the preview and the ls. The site.zip was available. Create a layer. The layer name, that's your requirement, your wish. I giving as a my layer, and the uploaded zip. There is a zip file, right? Site.zip. You need to upload it. And then x68 based on your preferences. Like if you want to run the ARM64, that's it. I want to run the x86 64 bit is runtime, and these are the options. If you want to give something like either leave it as the default and the create layer. Let's take a few seconds. Without adding the libraries as layers, the function will not works because it's request. I show you the example. Let's take a few seconds. So creating the layer. It successfully created the layer. I want to create a lambda function. Right. I create a function, and the function name author from the scratch use this, and then so test the name as a lambda name, the python 3.12 and 64 create a function. That's it. Copy and paste this, and the test this. Test name my event. That's your requirement. Event name as your preferences, and then save it. Forgot to add the layers. Add a layer, special hierarchs, and then we need to go smileys and copy this version and add this layer, the verified, successfully verified. Add this, successfully add the layer, and then the example code will HTTP request Google, and you should be go to the status of the 200. This is the response, and the my event test event is the my event, and this is a way you can run the Python functions using the pip files, adding the layers. You didn't add in the layer. There is another option also. You can add the zip them files into the adding into this folder, the test folder. But this is a it's increased the storage. That's why we can add if you want to deploy the Lambda models more than 2 or 3 or 4 the same configurations like the same pip files. Better way to use using the layers. This is one of the easiest way, and you get easiest success.